Welcome to Linux Hub. Today I am going to show you how to install and configure Nginx on Debian version 11.4. Nginx is a free and open source application for Linux that is used to direct web traffic to a specific server as a reverse proxy server. It is possible to use Nginx as a web server independently. Check the OS version using following command. Install the Nginx by using following command. Start and enable the Nginx service by using following command. Make the document root directory by using following command. Create the index.html in document root directory by using following command. Give ownership to the directory by using following command. Create server block in the following location by using following command. Create the symbolic links to enable the site by using following command. Editing a host entry for test1.com by using following command. Restart the Nginx by using following command. Finally, go to the browser and browse Bing by server blocks domain name in web browser following instruction. Now the Nginx installation and configuration has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.